You have no concept of how valuable her powers are. With Rewind, quirks could be wiped out forever, and humanity returned to normal. She could topple our entire superhuman society. She represents change. Naive children who don't understand her potential have no right to use her.
I can feel Aries' power getting stronger. It's just like the first time I tried out One for All and hurt myself. She's using it wildly because she can't control it. No matter my struggles, I had All Might and Gran Torino by my side. My friends, my teachers, my mom, they were all there too. But Aerie wasn't so lucky. She faced so much evil on her own. She had to fight all by herself.
I'll destroy this world beginning with its very foundation. No more quirks, no more heroes. A small-minded would-be savior like you can't stop me from curing this world.
As long as I'm still able to move, I'll save anyone I possibly can. After all, if I can't save one hurt little girl who's right in front of me, how can I ever hope to become a hero who saves everyone? How can I call myself a hero?
Deku's going to die? And you're saying there's nothing we can do? That I can't help her?
Doing my...
That's right. No matter what you attempt, he loses.
Whoa!
Even if that's true, I can't just sit here and watch. How are you supposed to change the future if you never try?
Just beyond that hole in the wall, you should find Mirio. Take care of him, Froppy. Gravity, Ryukyu. They're still fighting. Let's get back to the surface.
Chisaki, you may plan to tear the world apart, but I swear I won't let that come to pass. I will protect Aries' future. No, everyone's. This won't be our fate! In the air! Ha! From up top! Ha! Return! Anyway! Little by little... I won't take it! With my strength! Too slow! Over here! Ha! React! Smack! All my strength, all the time! Anyway!
Don't poke my shield!
Smack!
I'll destroy you!
With all my power, I want you to smile!
I will kill you.
I won't let you hurt people! I'll reach out once more! The justice right before your eyes!
Are you okay?
Payback! I hit hard!
Almost time.
Little by little. I won't take it! Doing my best! From up top! Return! Anyway!
Smash it!
Aerie, will you lend me your strength?
Wait for me, Pops!
I hit hard!
Yeah!
Payback! With my strength! Little by little. Doing my best!
Stop, stop, stop!
Over here! React! Smack! No time to think! React! Smack!
I can't hold him back!
Eri, will you lend me your strength?
Yeah!
I hit hard! I won't take it! With my strength! With all my power! I want you to smile! Little by little, payback! Doing my best!
For me,
I hit hard! I won't take it! With my strength! Little by little,
what have you done?
I hit hard! Payback! Doing my best! Little by little, I won't take it! From up top!
What are you doing?
With power!
Pathetic.
All my power! I won't let anyone... I won't let you hurt people! I'll reach out once more! I want you to smile!
Persistent piece of garbage.
I hit hard! Payback! With my strength! I'll reach! Eri. No time to think!
Filthy, sickly, infected. All you infected will die. Stay out of my way. Not so fast. You have no future.
Even if it's reckless! No! Right here! Even hit! No! I won't lose even if it kills me!
I can smell blood.
Fly! How? For a bright future! I'll win!
Thank you!
Fool, don't you dare get in my way!
This is the future I have seen that cannot be altered. And yet...
Fool, don't you dare get in my way!
I will mold my fate! And using this fist,